Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. This time, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect the Samsung Galaxy Buds to any Bluetooth devices. As you can see right there, there are many different devices that we're going to be trying it on. On the back, there is a Samsung Premium Ultra High Definition 4K TV. There is a 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2018, the Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy Note 8, the Gear S3, the watch, and the computer or the laptop. Now we're going to be trying on because the process is different. The Gear Icon X had a button on the back, the Bluetooth button right here on the back. You simply press it to pair it with any other device, but the Galaxy Bud is different. So let's start with the Galaxy Note 9. Pairing the Samsung Galaxy Bud to the Galaxy Note 9 is very simple and very fast. You simply pop it up open just like this, and it automatically appeared on the device. Then you tap on connect. You follow up the process. Very simple. And now let's go to the next one. The next is going to be the Galaxy Note 8. Let's see how fast is it to connect with the Galaxy Note 8. Okay, turn on the Bluetooth and you pop it open. Let's see if it works the same as that of the Galaxy Note 9. Nothing. Oh, that's it. There we go. So the Galaxy Note 8 is the same thing. You tap on connect. Allow again. Now let's try it on the Galaxy S5. We have to turn on the Bluetooth. And there we go. Let's see. Then we pop it open. Nothing. So as you can see, it doesn't work the same way. It appears on the Galaxy Note 8, but the S5, there's nothing. So let's try out a different system on the Galaxy S5. Let's check out if there is the Samsung app for the Galaxy S5. What is it again? Galaxy Wearable. Okay, that's it. Let's install it. Now that we have the app downloaded, let's try it out one more time. We close it, pop it open one more time, and nothing. Let's get into the app. Start the journey. So you simply download the app, you choose Galaxy Bud, okay, allow, one more time, one more, and it's pairing. So that's the way you can connect the Galaxy Bud to any other older devices like the Galaxy S, S5, the Note 4, and other older devices. You simply have to download the app, and okay, and there we go. So once you got the app downloaded, it's a bit faster to install or to pair up. allowed, agreed on all conditions. And there we go. Everything is paired up with the Galaxy S5. So, finish. Now, let's move on to devices that are not Galaxy smartphones. Connecting the Galaxy Board to any smart TV is different because there is no app for it. It's not like the smartphone where there is the Samsung wearable app, very easy to pair on. But on a smart TV, you simply pop it open just like this. You take out the earbuds, wear them, put them in your ear, then tap and hold both earbuds at the same time for 3 or 4 seconds until you hear the beeping. Then on the TV, you go into the Bluetooth, and you search for the Galaxy Buds that's zeroed on the bottom, pair, and connect. And there we go, it's connected. So you can now play any sound on it. Now let's connect the Galaxy Buds to the Samsung Gear S3. And the pairing process is the same to any Samsung smartwatches out there. You simply pop it open, you take out the earbuds, put it in your ear, tap and hold both earbuds for 3 to 4 seconds until you hear the earbuds beeping. Then you get to your smartwatch, get into settings, scroll down to connections, Bluetooth, make sure to turn it on, then scroll down to Bluetooth headset, you tap on it, you scan, that is it, and you tap on Galaxy Buds, it's paired. So it's now connected, you can get into the music, as you can see. So it's playing. So that's a way in which you can connect the Galaxy Buds to any smartwatch out there. Either Samsung smartwatches or any smartwatch is the same process. The last device is the 2018 iPad Pro. And we are going to do the same thing. Make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. Then you pop open the Galaxy Buds, take out the earbuds, put them in your ear, tap and hold both earbuds at the same time for 3 to 4 seconds until you hear the earbuds beeping. Then you go back to the iPad Pro, get into the settings, Bluetooth, and there we go, Galaxy Buds, tap on it, and it's connected. Very simple, that's it. Now you can now use the Galaxy Buds on your iPad Pro or any tablet. About the laptop, the pairing process is the same as that of the iPad Pro or the Smart TV. You simply do the same process and you'll be able to connect the Galaxy Buds to any laptop. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to respond. I'm going to reply every question. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification for more videos coming up on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you to the next one. Peace.